Earnings season is underway, but if you really start to drill down into these earnings, they're not really all that stellar. We did have Bank of America and Morgan Stanley come out. Both beat their estimates, but that was a lowered bar. Those estimates had been dropped prior to this. I'm here with Ken Polcari from MyCap Equities. So, Ken, we were just talking now about, maybe it's not so much about the fundamentals right now, but the technicals, and those are good.
That's right, and that's exactly what we're seeing. The market has broken through some key technical levels, 1295-ish, which was the October highs. We broke through that psychologically yesterday. We broke through 1300, and so we're getting very close also on what's known as the Golden Cross, where the 50-day moving average on the S&P pierces up through the 200, which will give all the technicians in the market a reason to buy the market. Now, it won't be fundamentally. It'll just be from a technical point of view. So you see it's kind of building on each other, right? So I think we got till 1325 before we hit some resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised to kind of see the market just go there. It feels like it wants to go there today. They're taking advantage of some of the industry groups that had gotten really beaten up last year. Financials at the top of that list. The auctions over in France and Spain today had gone better than expected. Yields are low. There was demand there. So the banks over in Europe were on a tear this morning, and it's just kind of it's fueling the move over here. So I'm not getting a whole lot of I'm not getting a sense that people are running out panic buying by any stretch. The volume doesn't tell you that, and that's the thing you really have to be concerned about. Is as once the volume kicks in, then there's more legitimacy to it. You can believe it. But the fact is, we're still trading on very, very light volume, so you can't fight the tape, but you got to be careful.
All right, so it sounds like there are some people dipping their toes, but there's not a big full-fledged push to this buy side.
Well, there's not a big push from the big asset managers, right? You got a lot of high-frequency guys and the day trader types, and so they're pushing it around. And on low volume, you can push it around, as we've seen. But you really want to pay attention to, and you want to watch when the volume really starts to kick up. Then you're going to see real commitment, whether it's from U.S. asset managers, European asset managers, but you need to see the volume kick in.
All right, so we do have a bit of a short-term bullish signal going on here with the technicals, but be warned, not a lot of volume behind it.